Namaskar दोस्तों, I welcome you all on our next knowledge series on Oman VAT law that will be going to be implemented from April 2021. So this is an introductory video on Oman VAT, and very soon we will be uploading and will be coming up with chapter wise series on Oman VAT. So just to give a brief about Oman VAT and what we will be covering in our upcoming videos on Oman VAT. So Sultan of Oman via Royal Decree 121/2020 dated 12th October 2020 has issued this decree for implementation of VAT with effect from April 2021. Right. So if we see in the Article 4 of the VAT law, it says that this law, the VAT law, should be implemented within 180 days from the date of the publication, which comes to 16th April 2021. So officially VAT will be implemented in Oman from 16th April 2021. Right. So Oman will be the fourth GCC country after UAE, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain. So the VAT rate will be 5%, and Article 2 of the executive regulations. So Article 2 of the VAT law says that the executive regulations, that is all about the rules, regulations, how what all the form will includes of the returns and how the return will be processed, and every rule related to particular article and chapter will be issued within 180 days from the date of enforcement. Right. So just to give a brief, there are 13 chapters and 106 articles in the VAT law. Now, what all topics will be covered in our knowledge series on Oman VAT will include definitions and general provisions, place of supply, time of supply, valuation, transitional provisions, returns, documentation, exemptions, zero rated supplies, exempt supplies, input tax credit and penalties. So all the viewers, I would request you to all please subscribe our channel so that you get updated about Oman VAT in our upcoming series on it, covering all these important topics. And it is a wonderful opportunities for all the Indian CAs and global CAs in Oman who are right now watching our video. So I request you to all please subscribe our channel and share to the maximum. Thank you.